Can you hear this? So in today's video, I will be making Taco Bell's grilled cheese burrito, but in my version. I'm making this in vegetarian version, so I will be using black beans instead of beef, but you can use whatever you prefer. And if you're vegetarian, do give this recipe a try. So let's get started with the recipe. Take a little bit of oil in a pan, and once my oil is ready, I'm going to add some chopped onion. Now this is optional. If you don't like, you can skip it. Just to make it very simple, I'm using canned beans. It's easy to grab it from the store, and yet you can still make it at home. Healthy recipe, and twist it however you like. So once my onions ready, I'm adding black beans and taco seasoning and a little bit of salt. Give it a nice stir, and once everything is nicely mixed, let it all cook for about 1 minute, and just like that our beans are ready. And just microwave this tortilla for about 20 seconds, nice and warm. Now I'm putting generous amount of sour cream on top of it. Next is Mexican or Spanish rice. Now if you want recipe of for this, is already on my channel, you can search it. Now I'm adding nacho cheese or cheese sauce, whatever you want to call, and then black beans that we prepared, and this is Taco Bell and chipotle sauce. This is yummy. And some tortilla stripes. Finally, cheese, shredded cheese, and now it's time to fold. Let's grill it. Now in a pan, I'm adding a little bit of cheese and I will let this melt. Once it start melting, I'm gonna put my burrito on top, same side down, and once it's get little brown, this is optional. I'm gonna toast it from the other side, grill it from the other side as well. You can skip it if you don't want to grill it both sides. I hope you guys have enjoy watching this quick recipe, and this is delicious. Please give it a try, share it with your friends and family, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.